Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google Meet on your laptop or desktop. First of all, go to your browser. In the search bar, type meet.google.com. Here, this type of interface will come. From here, in the new meeting option, you can create a new meeting for later, start an instant meeting, schedule in Google Calendar. Or if you have a code or link, give the link or code and press enter. Then click ask to join. When someone in the meeting gives you access, you will join it. So that's how to use Google Meet on your laptop or computer. If you like this video, give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.